Hey everyone, my name is Karina. Today let's make a delicious champurrado. I've set my pot on medium heat and I'm gonna add 2 cups of water. To that I'm gonna add 1.5 piloncillos, 1 cinnamon stick, 6 cloves, and a pinch of salt. And we're gonna wait until the piloncillos dissolve. It's been 6 minutes and our piloncillo has dissolved. Now I'm gonna lower the heat to low medium. And I'm gonna add 1 can of evaporated milk and 5 cups of whole milk. I'm also gonna add 2 chocolates Abuelita. I'm gonna mix it and wait until they dissolve. While we're waiting for the chocolate to dissolve, we're gonna prepare our masa. I'm gonna be using 1 cup of instant corn masa, and to that we're gonna add 2 cups of water. And then we just whisk until it dissolves. Make sure you have no lumps, and now it's ready to go into the pot. It's been about 10 minutes and the chocolate is now dissolved. It's now time to add the masa mixture. Once the masa mixture is in, make sure to whisk it constantly until it starts thickening. It's been 20 minutes and our champurrado is now ready. This is the consistency that we want and it's just perfect. Okay. And now it's time to serve. This is perfect for the holidays, for Christmas, for Thanksgiving. And there you have it, delicious champurrado. Cheers. Perfect. With some bread. Heaven. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you've not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!